Ayan. So, Ali, maganda dito.
Excuse me, can I say hi?
Yeah, come on, say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name's Woodrow.
Woodrow?
Yeah, Woodrow.
From where?
Woodrow?
I'm from Idaho.
Idaho.
Hello, Idaho. How old are you? You seem so young.
15.
I thought you're 12.
Really?
Say hello
Yeah.
to my live.
Hello.
Hello from Idaho.
everybody. Hello from Idaho.
Say your name.
My name is Woodrow.
Are you visiting here?
Yeah, I'm just visiting.
For how many days?
Just one day.
Oh, you're gonna go travel tomorrow.
Yes.
So,
Okay. Bye. Bye, everyone.
This is the new guest here in my live.
nice sharing yourself, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Enjoy.
Have a nice day. God bless.
Hey everybody. Let's go. Ay, mamaya pa. Inom ka muna.
Yeah, lakad na tayo. She's a singer. Bueno cantar. Bueno cantar. Bueno.
Shubushukal to all of you. Hi Shane. Hello. I'm here in Japanese Little Tokyo. Japanese Little Tokyo in downtown LA. So you can eat a lot of food here. Japanese food here. Thank you. I'll see you in LA, Shane. You and Tabby and Alice for my awarding. Hi, Lex. See you sa ano. I'll see you in Texas. Kukuha na ako ng ticket for next month. I miss you. We're going to watch the concert for Aegis live concert today. So this is the little Tokyo town. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So I got my Calpico. I love Calpico. So Pocari and Calpico. This is my water when I was in Japan. Missing you also, Lex. I used to sing in the. I used to sing in here. I used to sing in that area right there. I was singing there before. Yes, Deepak Malik. Hello. So you guys check it out. Oh. There's bakery here. So, who are you with? I'm with Tita Vanji, mother of the actress Alma Concepcion.
Miss Philippines.
Miss
94.
Philippines in yes. I miss you, Alexis. Yes, guys. Hi, Ajit. Bye. So you can see shabu shabu. Food, Japanese food. That's shabu shabu, Japanese food. You see? So dito na tayo dumaan. Oh. Ramen house area. Love ya, Shane. Marietta James, I'll see you in Chicago for my singing competition on November 28th for my semi-final competition. Yes, I will be there in Chicago. Shane, I'll see you in LA too. Hajit, bye. Thank you. Hello, hello. Hello, hi, Brad, Sisi. I'm here in Japanese town, village. It's right there. Thank you, sis. Ito nandito kasama ko si Tita Vanji. Mother ni Alma Concepcion. Ayan. Alamin Khan, hi to you. Love you all too. So cute. Hello, Ajit Bye. Sheridan, thank you. Love ya. Follow everyone. Yes. Follow each other, guys. So we're going on this side right there. Ayun, Aratani na yan. So manunod, we will gonna watch the Aegis concert today. So we're very close to the concert area, guys. So the famous band in the Philippines is All My Friends. So I'm here to support them. So I used to eat here in that area, somi. Yeah, I love that food. Yes, me too. I love it. Wow, look at the sunset. Oh, color. The clouds. Look at the clouds, guys.
Nandito kami noon nila Kuya Roy, yung Aratani.
Alexis, yung address mo nandun na sa akin, di ba? I'll see you in Texas. Kukuha ko ng ticket kayo. Kasama ko si Mama. Ha. Next month. See you next month. Love lots, Alamin Khan. Sanji Sharma, hi to you. See, guys, Aratani Theater. Aratani. This is where the concert area going to. Let me see. Ha? Ask natin kung saan yung ticket area. Oh yeah. Hi. Where can we get the ticket? Will call. Ay, salamat. Akala ko mo. Oy! Ang mga magagandang dilag. Akala ko kasi akala ko mga Mexicana. Sorry ha. kaya, I know from QD. Yes. Ayan. Papasok na kami mamaya. Ito pa kayo? Manonood ba kayo? Okay. Hello. Aegis. Asan na? Karen Mempin. Ayan. Si Ali nanonood oh. Ali! Ayan, Ali Concepcion.
Karen, tsaka Evangeline. Banji.
Yes, from Michael Jorolan. Thank you for watching, guys.
Wala.
Ang pangalan?
Banji.
Karen, oo. 2 ticket daw eh.
Bandit sa kaya.
Karen. Tawagan mo si Michael.
Bye, sweet.
Tawagan mo si Michael.
Thank you. I'll see you guys later sa loob, ha? For my live. Yes, nandito na kami, Ali.
Marami sa dala na nila yung ticket
Bye.
nila sa loob.